Welcome to One Canal Road, Lahore's most premium residential address. The city's first designer residences in a serene waterfront setting along the canal, overlooking the Gaddafi Stadium. And within minutes of the city's best shopping and culinary experiences. With over 35,000 square feet of residence amenities, including a 5-star lobby lounge, state-of-the-art gymnasium, spa, kids club, sky pool, and lounge, One Canal Road brings a new standard of luxury living never before seen in Lahore. The iconic building is designed by Miami's leading architect, Kobe Karp, with interiors designed by Sarah Rahal and finished by world-leading Italian fashion house, Versace Ceramics. At DR, we have around-the-clock construction teams working 3 shifts, day and night, to ensure One Canal Road is delivered on time.
I'm currently stood on the 5th floor. Since our previous construction update was released less than 4 weeks ago, we've completed a further 3 floors. Since the start of this project, which was a mere 12 months ago, what's been done so far? 2 basement ground level floors have been completed with an additional 60,000 gallon water tank. On the 4th level, we've completed shear and column works and a total of 70,000 square feet worth of built-up area in construction.
One Canal Road, Lahore. Living redefined.